Welcome to this video tutorial. Semiconductor memories are broadly classified into two: RAM, random access memory, and second one is ROM, read-only memory. So far we have discussed about RAM, random access memory. In this video tutorial, topic included is ROM and the different types of ROM. ROM full form is read-only memory. ROM is mainly used for permanent or semi-permanent storage of data. A ROM stores data that are used repeatedly in system applications such as tables, conversions, or programmed instructions for system initialization and operations. And ROMs are non-volatile memories. Non-volatile means information or data stored in the ROM are not lost when power is turned off. That is, data stored on ROM are not lost when the power is turned off. The ROM families are given in this diagram. The ROM families include first one mask ROM, second one programmable ROM, short form is PROM. Third ROM is erasable PROM, also known as EPROM. Fourth one is ultraviolet EPROM or UV EPROM. Finally, electrically erasable PROM, EEPROM. That are the different types of ROM. First category of ROM is the mask ROM. Is explained in this slide. The mask ROM is permanently programmed during the manufacturing process. Once the memory is programmed, it cannot be changed. Mask ROM are programs or data stored onto this ROM during the manufacturing process. We can read data from the mask ROM, but it cannot be edited. That is the second sentence. Once the memory is programmed, it cannot be changed. Figure shows a MOS ROM cell. Mask ROM cell with the help of MOS transistor. Consistor with the help of MOS transistor is shown in the figure. In the first cell, stored data is 1, stored bit is 1. In the second cell, stored bit is 0. The presence of connection from raw line to the input of transistor indicates that data stored on this location is 1. In this diagram, gate of MOS transistor is connected to raw line. That is, the presence of a connection from the raw line to the gate of a transistor represents a 1 at that location. The second diagram, there is no connection from the raw line to the gate of transistor. A row or column junctions where there are no gate connections, the column line remains low or 0 when the row is addressed. If there is no gate connection between row and the transistor, stored data at this location is 0. And if there is a gate connection from raw line to the input of transistor, MOS transistor, then the stored data at that location is 1. A simple ROM array is shown in this figure. Figure shows a 16 into 8 bit ROM array. 16 into 8-bit row array. There are 16 rows. Each row has 8 bits. In this diagram, in this array, there are 16 rows. Each row has 8 bits. Therefore, memory capacity is 16 into 8 bits or 16-byte memory. The left side we have address lines, 4 address lines. By using 4 address lines, you can address up to 16 locations. Because 2 raised to 4 is 16. And address decoder, output of address decoder has 16 lines from 0 to 15. First address row line is row line 0. Second line is row line 1. Each row has 8 cells. And the shaded cell, okay, this shaded cell indicates that data or bit stored in this location is 0 because there is no gate connection, or if there is no, here there is no connection between row line and the gate of MOS transistor. And the unshaded cell represents bit 1. In order to read byte from a particular location, we have to give, the processor has to give the address of that line. For example, if the processor or user want to read the location or row line 2, third location, that is row line 2, address given at the input of address line should be 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0, and the equivalent decimal number is 2, and row 2 is selected. Row 2 line is activated high level. All other rows lines are at a low level. Okay. When row line 2 is activated or at high level, when row line 2 is at high level, all the cells will have gate connection. All the cells where there are gate connection, corresponding column line should be at high level. The gate connection ഉള്ള സെല്ലുകളുടെ എല്ലാം കോളൻ ലൈൻ എന്തായിരിക്കും ഹൈ ലെവൽ ആയിരിക്കും. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ റോ ലൈനിലുള്ള ഹൈ വോൾട്ടേജ് എങ്ങോട്ടെത്തും, കോളം ലൈനിലേക്ക് എത്തും ഈ ട്രാൻസിസ്റ്റർ മുഖേന, ഗേറ്റ് കണക്ഷനുള്ള ട്രാൻസിസ്റ്റർ മുഖേന. ഓൾ ദ column lines where the corresponding cells have there is no gate connection, the corresponding column lines should be at 0 level. This is the data output lines. Okay. The corresponding data are available on the data output lines. Thank you.